So today on an episode of Crazy Creative Kitchen, we're making a homemade smoker because I want to smoke some chicken. So what I do is I take cherry wood, I put it in this metal thing, I put a hole here and a hole here, and I slide it on one side of my grill. I take the other one, same process, cherry wood, I put a hole there and another hole there, and I put this on the other side of my grill. In the center of my grill, I put two pieces of wood and I put cherry wood right on top. So as always, I like to give you a little show of what really happened behind the scene. See how moist this is? That's my cherry smoked chicken. Look at that. How good that looks. Look at that. See that juice? Very good. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for it to turn to smoke, and then we're gonna put our chicken on and we're gonna start our smoking. So this is what's gonna happen. If you close it up, you'll see it's gonna be all smoke. So we're gonna smoke them for 2 hours and then we're gonna finish them off in our oven. So we're gonna get a cherry wood smoke flavor on our chicken. Crazy Chef, hit that like button. Cherry wood smoke chicken, that's what we're doing today. But it's not about the chicken, it's about that homemade smoker that I just created. So I just created my homemade smoker. So I'm gonna put my chicken on and I'm gonna just let them stay there and get that vibe. That's that vibe. That's how much smoke we're getting. That's crazy. That's how much smoke we're getting from that cherry wood. So we're gonna leave it alone. We gotta come back in another 2 hours. We'll keep checking it as it go along, but that's how much smoke we're getting. That's awesome. Crazy Chef, hit that like button. This is just a regular charcoal grill. So this is just a regular charcoal grill, and I put some cherry wood in there. I finagled it a little bit, and that's my smoker. Whoa, that's a lot of smoke. That's a lot of smoke. Now I'm at like 250 right here, so good amount of heat. Still smoking vigorously, so it's working properly. Still plenty of smoke. And we won't open this time. We'll leave it alone. We'll just let them smoke. Ooh. So this is my smoked chicken. This is 1 hour later. We'll flip them over. So this is 1 hour. So in an hour, that's what they look like. We still have more time to go. Still smoking. So I'll leave them for 1 more hour. Then we'll see what happens. And that's the wood. That's the wood in there. Still pretty good. Okay, so this is my final check. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna check, and then I'm gonna put them in my oven at 325 for another, let's say 20 minutes. So, homemade smoker, still smoking. Crazy Chef, hit that like button. If it's your first time here on the channel, hit that red subscribe button. So let's go see what's going on in here. Still smoking. Look at that. See that? That's perfect. That's awesome. So that's our birds, fully smoked. We're gonna put them in our oven for 325 for another 20 minutes. So that's our birds, fully smoked, and we still have some low flame in there. It's a low flame in there, but now we're gonna go put them in our oven for 20 minutes. So as always, I like to give you a little show of what really happened behind the scene. See how moist this is? That's my cherry smoked chicken. Look at it. How good that looks. Look at that. See that juice? Very good. Crazy. See how tender that is? Good chicken. That falls off the bone. Perfect. Perfect chicken. Crazy Chef, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the vibe.